Hey, I'm Julie Coraccio, an award-winning professional life and end-of-life organizer, author, coach for change, life declutterer, and podcast host of Clear Your Clutter Inside and Out. I'm passionate about supporting you and sharing your gifts with the world. Clutter prevents you from doing that. My definition of clutter is this: clutter is anything that prevents you from creating the life you choose, deserve, and desire. Clutter can make you lose money, time, your sense of peace, have fraught relationships, poor health, anxiety, insomnia, debt, and more. Here's how I can support you. Coaching for change. We'll work together to increase your awareness and declutter your life in all areas. Business coaching for solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, professional organizers, and podcasters. End-of-life organization. The more you accept and prepare for the next adventure, the more you can live your life fully. Decluttering. I can support you in your home or workspace, or do a space clearing. If you're interested in being eco-friendly, we can do that too. I'm also a professional public speaker. You can choose from one of my topics, or we can customize a talk or workshop to suit your needs. You don't need individual support. Check out my store. I have multiple journal prompt books, Decluttering Your Life books, affirmations, and organizing and decluttering classes. I offer a free 15-minute conversation and look forward to connecting. Ready to create the life you desire? Let's get started.